Oh, what? Now you're rushing us after you make us wait? I don't think so. Yes, at this point, yes. We're gonna fly like crazy people. We're gonna fly like nutsos.
Haters, man, haters.
That's not the right plane.
Turn around, man.
No, go further down. Us jet guys, we go further down.
You French, get in the way.
Should I go first, man? You guys, he has to land. I won't be able to see my...
Who has to land? Oh.
Oh, Jonah.
I'm gonna stand in the middle here because your kid's taking up all this room. Who's flying the P-51?
I am.
Let me get around you. Hold on.
Guys, you gotta go. Jonah has to land.
He's gotta land. Ah. Go.
Go P-51. See you later. Jesus, Frankie! Pinche Pipe Le Pew! We're gonna do something where we're kind of together, or what's the deal here? So who's locking on who? Okay, I'll lock on with you guys.
Alright, let's try to keep it down.
I'll stay to the outside of you guys.
Alright, turn.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Alright, keep that. Come on, faster.
Dude, that F-4 sounds sweet. But we gotta stick together, guys. Yeah, Mustang, stay almost full. I'm staying closest to us, guys. I've got him saying it. I've got him saying it.
Alright, turn, ready? Alright, ready? Go ahead, get on the throttle a little more.
Looks pretty good, guys. Oh, you just pulled away that quick? Nate, I'll stick with you. So Nate, just do what you're doing. I'm gonna stay on your left wing the whole time. No.
They don't want you, no. Like, get out of
here. Nate, I'll stay on your left wing.
Okay.
You're okay, don't worry. The FMS brothers. Yeah, I am. It's an FMS plane though.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, Ray, let's get a little bit lower.
Go. I'll just stick with you.
No, Keyon, come on. You look really good.
That's pretty dang good, young man.
Bye.
I'll be behind you. Happy! As Frankie does. Alright, I'll escort you guys down.
Time expired.
Alright, now we gotta go. I'm ready, you're not.
Pepe! No, I can't. I'm already past you. I don't think so. I have an afterburner in it. It's just not on right now.
That was good, Ray.
Yes, it was. Good job. Wake up!
Gear down.
Okay, landing from the left. Hey, Pepe!
I've got another F-4.
I can do the